what you're looking at here is a trade that I just got into. This is a short that I took during Globex. And the indicators you're seeing on the chart, those are our proprietary indicators. The one powering the oscillator down there is powered by the First Light beacon. It's called Real Flow. That First Light beacon is patent pending. And I also have it on the chart up there where you can see the zones. Basically, the reason I got into this short was because we broke value area on my on our volume profile here, which is our volume profile for NinjaTrader. You get delta on the left, volume on the right. It's pretty good volume profile. And at the same time, if you look at the oscillators at the bottom, you see the yellow line straight up and down. Those are the marking out to 15 minutes. Those zones down there I have set to 15-minute intervals. The zones are being generated from the 15-minute candle. And when that last one opened at 15 minutes, the Heiken actually dumped below the zero line there. Okay. And that was my entry. And then confirmation was break and retest of the zone coming down. And then it's on from there. So if you would like to check out these indicators, just go out to firstlightbeacon.com. And if you want to trade with us, you can. You don't have to get the indicators. We do offer a private Discord live streaming, and your first month would be $39. And you can get that at breakouthunter.com. All right. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm going to let this video just go on a full speed away so you can see the rest of the trade and watch all of this develop.
The morning light leaks in, flickering across my screen. I sit poised and ready, daring fate to intervene. Futures dancing in my vision, crude grains and the S&P. I'm whispering to the market, show your hand to me. From patterns etched in data, I draw my line in the sand. I hunt the spark of movement, the signal I understand. When price bars break their chains, unleashing hidden might, I'm there to seize that moment, to claim the golden light. I'm the breakout hunter, forging trades with iron nerve. In the surge and chaos, I find the rhythm I deserve. A member of the Hunters Club, I stand beside my peers. We ride the waves of markets, turning risk into cheers. No room for faint of heart, no shelter from the storm. This battlefield of candles never